All right, welcome to Smooth Jazz Saxophone Lessons. We are now on video 2 of learning the Star Spangled Banner, also known as the National Anthem, and we're learning how to add a little soul to it, make it sound like you got a little smooth jazz flavor and some gospel in your bones when you play it. So we're now at just getting the melody. We're working on the climax part now. We've done all the that basically what I just played. We play that twice, and then we're able to get to the part that we're starting on today. All right, so here we go. So the next part is D, 2 G's, G, F sharp, E, E. Then you got another E. So okay, banner yet wave. A, B, C, B, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp. All right, so you put that together, you got this. So let's put those two parts together. We want to move on to the main part. For the land of the free. 2 D's. G. A, B. C. And what we're doing there, we're going to that high D, where you hold the octave key in the first palm key right there. So you put that together, you have closer. And then the last line, G, A, B. So I do B, C, A. Now that I've given you the notes kind of quickly, feel free to go back. I don't want to make the videos too long. This is how it should sound all together. And just melody without me adding a lot of soul to it yet, without adding a lot of our smooth jazz flavor. And then we would play that again, because you have 2 verses, before we get to "And the Rockets' Red Glare," the main part. So here we go. So again, it's an honor to be able to teach you how to add a little something to this beautiful song, and especially right before our holiday for Memorial Day, as we remember all those who served, all those who gave their lives, for this country in the military and in different even branches of the police and everything. We show our appreciation on this holiday. Next video, we will work on now adding the soul. So I had to lay the foundation. Next video, we're going to add the soul to it. If you're not a part of my Facebook group, please check out my Facebook groups, which is Smooth Jazz Saxophone Lessons. We love to have you in the family. Also, if you have not, subscribed or liked this page, I would love for you to do it. It would definitely help me out. I would appreciate it also if you would turn on the notification bell and check out the playlist. I have 4 free courses on this page, on this channel, that help you from beginner to advanced on how to spice up your smooth jazz and your gospel playing. All right, so see you on the next video.